What's up? Thomas Feng with Bay Area Connect bringing you this week's Monday's market report for the city of Sunnyvale for August of 2012. To get a copy of this market report, shoot me an email at thomas.feng@gmail.com. To see all these stats overlaid with new listings, sold listings, and also school information, give me a call, 408-840-3852. I'm also on Facebook at facebook.com/Bay Area Connect. Like my page and you'll get my weekly market reports, new listing photos, and also Friday's financial updates sent to your newsfeed automatically, so it's real easy. All right, let's jump into the stats for Santa Clara, August of 2012. The median list price of all current listings is at $619,950 with no change. August median sales price is at $602,000, up 14%. Total properties currently for sale. The inventory is at 65, down 11%. August number of properties sold is at 93, up 21%. And average days on market is at 20 days, which is down 23%. So for pricing, we're seeing mostly same prices and elevated sold prices for listings. Also, sales are coming up while inventory is still down, and days on market has gone down as well. Let's take a more in-depth look at all of these numbers. First up is going to be property sales. August property sales were at 93, down 3.1% from 96 in August of 2011, and 20.8% higher than the 70 sales last month. August 2012 sales were at a mid-level compared to August of 2011 and 2010. So right now we're seeing sales higher than the previous months, and this is really not expected in the third quarter and the later quarter of the year, as sales do die down a little during this time. So with the elevated sales number, we're seeing the market heating up even further throughout the year. Next up, we're going to take a look at pricing. The median sales price in August was at $602,000, up 22.6% from $491,000 in August of 2011, and up 13.6% from $530,000 last month. The average sales price in August was at $579,433, up 18% from $491,209 in August of 2011, and up 6.6% from $543,605 last month. So with pricing, even though it did take a drop in the previous 2 months, we're coming back up, and this really shows just how well the market has been doing in the Santa Clara County and also Santa Clara City. We're seeing prices definitely stabilize in this higher price range, and we'll see how that continues to play out throughout the remainder of the year. Next up is going to be inventory. Total inventory of properties available for sale as of August was at 65, down 11% from 73 last month, and down 68.5% from 206 in August of last year. August 2012 inventory was at the lowest level compared to August of 2011 and 2010. So inventory, not much has changed. News-wise, we're still at very low inventory, and it keeps getting lower and lower. But even though we have very low inventory, we're still seeing sales rise up, and with that we're seeing a lot of properties that have been on the market for say 200 to 300 days finally selling off. So that's really good news for the older inventory on the market. Next up, we're going to take a look at market time. The average days on market for August was at 20 days, down 23% from 26 days last month, and down 66.7% from 60 days in August of last year. August 2012 days on market was at its lowest level compared to August of 2011 and 2010. So days on market is still continuing to drop, which is insane because we're still now at around 20 days, which just shows how many cash offers are being made in the Santa Clara County, just because the average days on market for a closing time will probably be more around 30 to 40 days for a finance deal. So right now homes are moving extremely fast in Santa Clara, and a lot of buyers are definitely feeling this pressure. Next up, we're going to take a look at selling price per square foot. August 2012 selling price per square foot was at $407, which was up 1.5% from $401 last month, and up 17.5% from $346 in August of last year. So the selling price per square foot, it's pretty much similar to the pricing graph as well. We saw a little dip in the past 2 months, but other than that, the selling price per square foot is continuing to rise, and I believe we'll see this throughout the rest of the year and continuing into 2013. Now let's take a look at our new and sold properties in Santa Clara on my Google Maps. So for the month of August, we had a total of 86 new listings. 11 were in the 700,000s, 14 in the 600,000s, 20 in the 500,000s, and 31 below the 400,000s, for a total of 76 out of 86 new listings listed below 700K. For sold listings, we had a total of 86 sold listings, 11 in the 700,000s, 18 in the 600,000s, 26 in the 500,000, and 24 below the 400,000, for a total of 79 out of 86 sold listings sold below 700,000. For a year-to-date count, we had a total of 26 homes complete the selling process in August, which comes up with our total number of 143 sold properties in Santa Clara this year. So if you compare our Google Maps from this month and last month, we're seeing more new properties and more sold listings in the month of August versus the month of July, which is very rare, just because during this time there's usually less sellers on the market, just because the school year is starting or the holidays are coming and less people want to get through all that trouble of selling a home. So this is really good news for the real estate market in general in Santa Clara. Again, to sit down and discuss your situation as a buyer, what you're looking for in the market, and really what to expect in this changing real estate market, please do give me a call at 408-840-3852. Thanks again for watching, and have a great week.